Hi, I'm Christina, and today I want to show you to make stir-fried green beans, and it's easy and it's quick, and the kids love it. And this is how we do it on the Philippines, you know, but on the Philippines we use pork, but I'm gonna use bacon, maybe 3 stripes like that. Cut it. Cook until they brown, because you need the oil, the grease for the bacon. Okay. Now this is my ingredients. You know, you're gonna put the garlic, onion, and tomato, the Roman tomato, right? And my fresh green beans. I wash already. See, I cut it because my kids or my husband, he don't like the one on the can. Okay, we're gonna fry until they brown. Wait until brown. Closer. Bring the fry like that. Okay, now is my bacon is brown. We're gonna put the garlic. We love garlic. It's good for a lot of garlic. But it's up to you if you put a lot of garlic. Make the garlic just a little bit, not really brown. After we make the garlic brown on that side, we're gonna put the onion. And you not put the whole onion, only just a half onion. See over here, we have a lot of onion. See, but we put on that side because onion is take away the bacteria. You know, why we left on the side maybe like 5 days. You know, see the difference? I'll show you guys. I know it's not about. This is the one I use, the half. See, this is only just now. And see I don't know if you see the difference. See, this is old, maybe this is 3 days, and this is yesterday. This is yesterday. Yeah, I read something on the online. Okay, now my onion is brown. We put the tomato. It's 2 tomatoes. Okay. That's good. Put just a little bit water. Oh, not that one. We're gonna close. Because you want your tomato is cook all the way. We're gonna smash. We're gonna wait maybe like 2 minutes. Okay. Now the tomato, you can mash it now. It smells good. Okay. we're gonna make just a little bit brown the pan because we want more, you know, flavor. Okay. I put high, I think. You can put the pepper. The salt. Okay. Now my thing is okay. Now I'm gonna put the green beans. Put the water. Now we cover it. We cook until it's tender or soft. Now guys, we check the onion. Look good. See the sauce is brown. Look good, guys. I think this is done. Yep, it's done. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video, how to cook my stir-fried green beans, and try it. I know you're gonna love it. It's very good. And yeah, we're gonna make a steak too. Try it, guys. And guys, I make a cauliflower mash, and this cauliflower mash I put already on my video. Check it out to my YouTube, the keto mash, and you're gonna find out how I gonna make this keto mash. But try the stir-fried green beans too, guys. It's very good. It's keto. And thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like my cooking show, the keto, and I hope you like my video. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much. And this is Christina, and God bless you. Bye.